After recording start, we will start the lecture. Okay, let's start. So yesterday we have finished the theoretical part of the game theory. Okay, what is the game theory? So all of you might be knowing. Okay, so I have given one uh, screenshot. Okay, I have given one suggestion to you. Take a screenshot. Now what is the basic information like maximize? Okay, maximin, minimax values. What is the payoff matrix? Okay, what is the basic information about the game theory? Okay, what is a player? Who is the what is mean by player? Okay, what is mean by saddle point? Okay, now this is nothing but the basic information of the uh, game theory. Okay, so today we will start the problem on that. Okay, basically we have studied the two methods of the game theory. Okay, first is a pure strategy and second is a mixed strategy. Okay, so today we will finish the mixed pure strategy examples. Okay, so I will share my screen. Okay, due to some recording problem I have get confused. Okay, so I will share my screen. Okay, so pure strategy and mixed strategy. Okay, pure strategy is nothing but whenever the saddle point will be present. Okay, or what is saddle point? Whenever the maximum value is equal to minimax value. Okay, whenever these two value will equal, then that value is nothing but the saddle point or saddle value. Okay, or no value of game. This is very simple method. Okay, so I will show that also. Okay, again, so we will take a revision of also introductory part. Okay, so I will share my screen. So notes are also ready, so I will show that directly notes. Okay, on screen also. Okay, so his screen is visible. Hello, anyone please give me reply in audio. Okay, because I am using mobile. Okay, so please unmute yourself, anyone. His screen is visible or not?
Yes, visible, sir.
Okay. So yesterday, last lecture, we have finished the introductory part of the game theory. Okay, what is game theory? Game theory is nothing but the analysis of the one or more. Okay, two or more players. Okay, whatever the player will be there. Okay, different machineries will be there. Okay, because we are mechanical engineers. Okay, so consider according to our branch. Okay, whenever in industry the number of employees may be there, number of machines may be there. Okay, number of companies also there. Okay, competitors are also there. Okay, suppose take one example of tire. Okay, tire manufacturing company. Okay, who are the companies? Okay, which are the companies who made the tires? Okay, who manufacture the tire? For example, MRF tire. Okay, next JK tires. Okay, CR tires. Okay, lot of companies are there. Okay, but for that comparison purpose, we have to use the game theory. Okay, what are the strategies they are using? According to values of that strategy, we can calculate the uh, wait. So we can calculate the analysis of that example. Okay, whatever the comparison or competitors are there, we can analyze the that point. Okay, so yesterday I have given one example. Okay, so today also I will share that example. Okay, so what is the difference between maximin and minimax values? Okay, so uh, I will share that also. Huh. Okay, now this is an example. Last lecture we have taken. Okay, so player A is having vertical values and player B is having horizontal strategy. Okay, we can say that a strategy. Strategy 1, 2, 3 for player A and horizontal strategy 1, 2, 3 for player number B. Okay, so what is the procedure? Okay, So first of all, we have to calculate the row minimum and the column maximum values. Okay, at the right side of matrix, payoff matrix, and at the bottom side of the payoff matrix. Okay, so let's start first point. So row minimum value, calculate the row minimum value. Okay, at the right side of the matrix box. Okay, so if you consider the player A, okay, if you consider the player A, now what is the strategy number one? Okay, what is the values of strategy number 125, 20, 35? Okay, so we have to calculate first of all the row minimum. Is it right? So row minimum value, calculate all the row minimum value 25, 20, 35. Okay, in between three value, 20 is the minimum. Okay, so write down that 20 value. Okay, same as well as 50, 45, 55, 55. 45 is minimum value, and at the strategy number 3, which is the minimum value 40. Okay, so write down 40 value here. Okay, this is a standard procedure, standard way. Okay, don't confuse. This is a very simple way. Okay, we can say that a theoretical or theorem also. Okay, because game theory is one of the theoretical part. Okay, this is a theory given by the um, whatever the analyzer will be there. Okay, was there. Okay, so first of all, we have written over here row minimum values 20, 45, 40. Okay, now also as like for column maximum. Okay, now after row minimum value, we have to find out the column maximum value. Okay, so see the column number first. Okay, for the player number B. Okay, for the player B, first strategy is a one strategy. Okay, what are the value 25, 50, and 58? Okay, so find out the maximum value from column. Okay, what is the which is the maximum value of 58? Okay, so 58 is a write down over here. Okay, at the bottom of the column. Okay, now these values are nothing but the column maximum. Okay, as like similar for second strategy 20, 45, 40. Oh, which value is maximum? 45. Okay, at last problem 35, 55, 42, which is the maximum value? 55. Okay, so write down the 55 value over here. Okay, now what is the next step? This is only basic first step. Okay, calculate row minimum and column maximum. Okay, so after row minimum value and the column maximum value, we have to find out the maximin and minimax value. Okay, what is maximin? Now moving towards again row minimum. Okay, now these are the minimum values. Okay, these three are the wait, some student are joining. Okay, I will admit them first of all. Huh. Don't left meeting in between. Okay, because I am not able to see who are attending the lectures. Okay, I will take attendance also. Okay, only few people. Huh. No. Join at time. Okay. So due to that, the mistaken will be observed. Some disturbance is there. Okay, due to the late coming student. Hmm. So let's move our problem. Okay, so this is a row minimum value. Now find out maximum from that minimum. Okay, now this is nothing but the maximum value from the row minimum is nothing but the maximum. So round up that 45 value. Okay, this is 45 is the maximum value in between row minimum. Okay, and for the column maximum, find out the minimum value. Which is the minimum value from column maximum? 45. Okay, so round up that value and mark as a minimum value in maximum column. Okay, so that what is the meaning of that 45 value? Minimax. Okay, so write down that minimax value here. Okay, so this is a minimax. Okay, so what is a pure strategy definition? Okay, whenever the maximin value is equal to minimax value, then that problem is considered in the pure strategy. Okay, and whatever the value will be there, okay, that value is answer of our problem. Okay, this is very simple problem. Our first method is very simple. Okay, only two steps are there. Okay, first of all, calculate the row minimum value, column minimum value, and wait. हा लेट जॉईन होते त्यामुळे असं होते काय Am I audible? Anyone? Don't put your attendance. Okay, I will take attendance in between. Okay. Voice is breaking. Message. Am I audible? Let it be. Forget about that. Okay. So these value are the maximin and minimax value. Okay. So in this type of example, saddle point is equal to 45. Okay. So see here which is the value 45. Okay. This is the central value in between that column matrix. Okay. So game matrix. Okay. And whatever the if you see the minimax value, this is also same value. Okay. So 45 is the saddle point. Okay, 45 is a saddle point. Okay, now what is the value of game? Value of game is equal to saddle point. Okay, so value of game is equal to 45. Okay, this is answer of our question. Okay, so let's move to our next example. Okay, this is a basic example. Okay, so I will open notes here. Okay, so then we will solve. Okay, I will solve one example here only, and second example is for the assignment purpose. Okay, pure strategy and mixed strategy. Okay, mixed strategy example we will take in next lecture. Okay, so if time is there, okay, so we will take a short introduction of the mixed strategy. Okay, what is mixed strategy? Whenever the saddle point will not be observed, okay, then that example will be converted into mixed strategy. Okay, so what is strategy? Strategy is nothing but the standard rule for that game. Okay, strategy is nothing but the whatever the different rules are there. Suppose take an example of cricket exam. Okay, cricket. Okay, so different rules are there. Okay, what is the rule? Six ball over will be observed. Okay, as like our 7 days week, 5 days week is observed for the government service or in private service. Okay, there are if you go into deep. Okay, there are three shifts. Okay, first shift, second shift, third shift. Okay, now this is nothing but the different rule or some strategy or some standards are there. Okay, now in this type of example also we have to find out which strategy they are using. Okay, now how we can find out the pure strategy or mixed strategy? Okay, now pure strategy is nothing but the whenever the maximum value is equal to minimize value. Okay, minimax value is equal to saddle point is equal to value of game. This is nothing but the pure strategy. And whenever saddle point will not observe, is nothing but that is nothing but minimax value is not equal to maximum value. Whenever then only that example will be observed in the mixed strategy. Okay, so after that we have to find out value of game. Okay, now two steps are will be added in mixed strategy. Okay, now this is also very simple. Okay, only two steps are added in this type of example. Okay, after completion of that two step we can get the value of game or whatever the answer of our problem. Okay, now this is a very small difference. Okay, so optimal strategy. Now third strategy is there. Okay, the course of action which maximum profit of player or minimum loss. Okay, now this is also third strategy. Okay, that will also we will see. Okay, now whenever the only concentrate on whatever the player A, okay, or whatever the horizontal values, first player can consider only profit. Okay, maximum profit, and second player is moving towards or whatever the course of action of second player is to minimize the loss. Okay, now these are the two standards for the player 1 and player 2. Okay, so keep in mind, okay, that type of MCQs will also ask for the examination. Okay, whenever the first player, okay, or player A will always concentrate on maximum profit. Okay, whenever the positive value is inserted into matrix. Okay, now there will be definitely profit for the player A, and whenever the loss for the player B. Okay, this is very basic. Okay, I have forgotten that definition. Okay, so we will take example here. Okay, suppose take this example. Okay, player A and player B. Okay, so hope you are writing notes also. Okay, some different points are there because we are taking online mode. Okay, so it will be better. Okay, whenever you will write a notes. Okay, huh. Am I audible? Hmm. Okay, okay, okay. Gaurav. Okay, so let's move towards. Okay, now what is the meaning of player A and player B? Okay, what are some important factor for the player A and player B? Okay, suppose take a example of 25. Okay, first value. Okay, first value. Now 25 is a positive value. Okay, now whenever positive value will be there, now that value is profitable for player A and loss for the player B. Okay, keep in mind. Okay, this is standard. 25 value is profit for the player A and loss for the player B. Whenever the minus 25 will be there, okay, definitely there the 25 will be loss for player A and minus 25 gain for the player B or profit for the player B. Okay, this is simple conversation. Okay, so keep in mind. Okay, whenever positive value will be there, that will be profitable for player A, and whenever the negative value will be there, that will be profitable for player B. Okay, this is very simple. Okay, again I will say that statement. Okay, whenever positive value will be observed in the payoff matrix, whenever positive value will be observed in payoff matrix, that will be profitable for player A. Okay, and loss for the player B. Okay, or gain for player A or loss for player B. Whenever negative value will be there. Okay, suppose minus 25 will be there, minus 45 will be there. Now minus value will be profitable for player B and minus value is loss for the player A. Okay, so don't confuse. Only keep in mind only one value. Whenever positive will be there, player A is always concentrated on maximum profit. That's why player B is always concentrated on minimum loss. Okay, now this is the standard some theoretical part of the this chapter. Okay, okay. So moving towards next problem. Okay, huh. Payoff matrix. All this definition we already covered. Saddle point. Okay, value of game is nothing but the final answer. Okay, our value of game is nothing but the outcome of our problem. Okay, so take a first example. Okay, minimize and maximize method. Okay, so in example also this type of example will definitely ask. Okay, two example is compulsory for the NOCD examination. Okay, on first is on pure strategy, on second is on mixed strategy. Okay, one example is compulsory. Okay, so read the whatever the statement of example. Okay, in certain game. Okay, in certain problem, in certain game player A has three possible choices. Okay, in that certain game. Okay, this is a given data. Okay, player A is having L, M, N and player B is having P and Q strategies. ओके सपोज वॉट एव्हर म्हणजे बघा प्लेयर एचं काहीतरी असेल तीन स्ट्रॅटेजी असतील त्याच्या ओके प्रॉप काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला वॉट एव्हर द स्ट्रॅटेजीज सपोज इफ यू टेक वॉज एक्झाम्पल ऑफ क्रिकेट ओके एल इज नथिंग बट द वॉट एव्हर द नंबर ऑफ over okay whatever the number of wickets okay whatever the time of that whatever the strike rate okay these are the strategies okay and for player B is also different two strategies okay now they have given this problem for us okay so find out read the statement again in certain game player A has three possible choices L M N while B has two possible choices P and Q okay so payments are players are to be made according to choices okay what are the best strategies for player A and B and what is the value of game this is very simple example okay 3 by 2 matrix they have given okay 2 by 3 okay so this is a given value okay we have to find out the value of game okay what is the value of game is nothing but the outcome of our problem okay whenever this is the first type of problem okay let's see whether this problem is pure strategy or mixed strategy. Okay, when we can understand this is mixed strategy or pure strategy example. Okay, after solving the row minimum and column maximum value. Okay, so write down this problem. Okay, so if possible I will show my camera. Okay, then we can, or also Jamboard. Okay, Jamboard is also one of the option. Okay, so next lecture I will use that Jamboard. Hmm? Okay, so okay, so first of all I will write that example. Okay, you also write this example. Okay, all of you please take pen and paper and take a note of this only matrix, so you have to write. Okay, player A. Okay, I am also writing, I will show that in camera also. Player A is having L, M, N strategies. Okay, and player B is having P and Q strategy. Okay, whatever the value, -3, 3, -2, 4, 2, 3. Okay, this is a given matrix. Okay, okay, so I will share camera. ॲडमिट झाला कोण कार्यकर्ता, समजते का बघा रे बघा, नाहीतर माझं आपलं चालू असंच कीर्तन विदाउट एनी डिस्कशन. ओके, रेडिओ, टॉक ऑन रेडिओ. हां बेटा, I will stop screen sharing. I will present my screen. Camera. हां, आता कुठं कॅमेरा, एक मिनटं. हां, is camera is visible? Anyone? Values are visible or not? Okay, this is a problem, given problem. Whatever the player A. Okay, please pin on my camera. आता हे गुगल रेकॉर्डिंग मध्ये कसं होतं काय माहित नाही, बघावं लागेल. So let's start the problem solving. Okay, so what is the step? Is camera is visible very clearly? Anyone please unmute yourself and give me answer. Is whether the camera is visible properly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Pawan, Gaurav, ठीक है. So this is a given problem. Okay, so player A is having three strategies, L, M, N, and player B is having strategies P and Q. Okay, whatever the values are there, -3, 3, -2, 4, 2, 3. Okay, so as we have discussed the last point. Okay, what is a positive value will be profitable for player A. Okay, now whenever this -3 value will be, -3 value is a gain for the or profit for player B. Okay, so whenever this type of example will ask for the gate examination or in MCQ type of example. Okay, so let's start whether we have to find out the value of game. Okay, and we want to check the saddle point is present or not. Okay, so what is the first step of this problem? Okay, so write down the row minimum value and column maximum value. Okay, so first of all write down here the row minimum value. Okay, I will also write row minimum value. Okay, so how we can find out the row minimum value? Okay, so check the first row, -3, 3. Okay, which is the minimum value, -3 or 3? Definitely -3. Okay, आपण काही तर जास्त वेळ घेत ना, -3. Okay, what is the next value? Minimum value in between second row, sorry, second row, -2, -4. Definitely -2 will be negative value, -2. And last row 2, 3, which is a row minimum value 2. Okay, so what is the next step? So write down the column maximum. Okay, so write down column maximum, value. Find out the column maximum value. Okay, check first column, -3, -2 and किती 2. -3 -2 minus +2. Okay, what is the maximum value in between row number, column number 1? Definitely 2. Okay, so write down maximum value 2. Okay, and what is the maximum value in second column? 3 4 3. Okay, maximum value is 4. Okay, maximum value is 4. Okay, so what is the next step? Okay, what is the next step? Move towards the row minimum. ऊन पडते. wait, ऊन आलं इथं. So find out the row minimum value. Okay, these are the row minimum value. -3 -2 2. Okay, so find out the here the maximum value in minimum column. Okay, so maximum value, which is the maximum value? Maximum value in minimum row. Okay, this is minimum row minimum. Okay, now -3 -2 2. Okay, so find out the maximum value. कुठल्या maximum value आहे याच्यातली? -3 -2 +2. Okay, definitely +2 will be the maximum value. Okay, so write down, round up that value 2 and write down here maximum value. Okay, max min. This is the maximum value. Okay, and what is next step? Minimax value. Okay, from the table number, sorry, column matrix. Okay, column maximum. Okay, this is the maximum value. Find out the minimum value. Minimum value is nothing but the minimax. Okay, minimum value in maximum column. Okay, so this is also here the 2 is the minimum value. Okay, this is a 2. Okay, this is nothing but the minimum value in maximum. Okay, that is nothing but the minimax. Okay, keep in mind. Okay, minimum value in maximum column. Okay, this is column maximum. Okay, now this is nothing but the minimum value in maximum column. Okay, this is 2. Okay, so check whether where this value. Okay, now where this value we have taken these two value from that table. Okay, so round up here. Okay, in table. Okay, in payoff matrix. Okay, and check the second minimax value 2. Okay, this is also same value. Okay, now where maximum value is equal to minimax value. Okay, in this problem, so write down here, all of you write down maximum value is equal to mini max value. Okay, म्हणजे दोन्ही सेम आहेत. minimax and maximum value is same. Whenever the minimax value is equal to maximum value, that then there will be saddle point will exist. Okay, so in this exam, therefore in this example, saddle point is present. Okay, whenever the saddle point is present, that example will be considered in the pure strategy. Okay, so what is the value of game? Our main question, what is the value of game? Okay, what is the value of game? Definitely saddle point is equal to value of game. Okay, what is the value of saddle point? 2 value. Okay, so what is the answer? So write down last statement of this problem. Okay, so value of game is equal to 2. Okay, is it right? Now this is a very simple procedure to solving this type of problem. Okay, this is a very simple method. Okay, value of game is equal to 2. Okay, why? Value of game is equal to saddle point is equal to minimax value is equal to maximum value. Okay, so that is equal to 2 value. Okay, so our final answer is a value of game is equal to 2. Okay, so read again a statement what they have asked. Okay, so I will share again screen. So what is the statement? In certain game, okay, they have given, this is given data. Okay, what they have asked. Okay, what are the best strategies for player A and B, and what is the value of game? Okay, what is the best strategy for the value player A? Okay, so if you see here, this is our answer, 2 value. Okay, which is the best value for or best strategy for player A? Okay, so we can write down for player A, strategy N is best. Okay, and what is for player B? For player B, strategy where the two value is added in P column. Okay, so write down the strategy P is best for player B. Okay, now this is our answer. Okay, so check the answer. Okay, what is the method to write down answer? Okay, maximum value is equal to minimum, so saddle point is exist. Okay, so what is the optimal strategy for A is N. Okay, optimal strategy for P player A is N, and strategy P for player B. Okay, now this is the answer, and last write down value of game is equal to 2. Okay, this is a 4 mark problem, very simple problem. Okay, now if you require practical examination, sorry, practical examples. Okay, take an example, cricket example. Okay, suppose two players are there. Okay, whatever there are some basic records are there. For example, strike rate will be there. Okay, for example, whatever the age also will be there. Okay, now according to that we can find out the which is the best strategy for player A and which is the best player or whatever the value of game. Okay, value of game is nothing but the output of that player, both player. Okay, this is a this type of example will also required for the technical or in our काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला industrial sector also. Okay, this type of method, game theory method, is also used for the uh, industrial applications. Okay, so what we can take, is it clear? Problem समजला का तुम्हाला बघा. Okay, same problem for the pure strategy and same problem for the uh, mixed strategy. Okay, so we will take a tomorrow morning lecture is our. Okay, so very in morning lecture we will take that example. This is also very simple example. Okay, same example, only two steps are added. Okay, there the saddle point will not exist. Okay, after that only two steps are required. Okay, after that two steps we will get the answer of the value of game. Okay, so take a second example. Okay, write down all of you. Second example, same statement is there. Okay, so what is the statement for this? So find out the optimal strategies for player A and player B. Okay, so given data is there. Okay, they have given strategy A1, A2, A3 for player A, and for player B strategy B1 and B2. They have given values 3, 2, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay, these are the values they have given according to the strategies. Okay, so write down this example and try to solve it. Okay, so I will also we will solve this example. Okay, but before that we have to solve that example and tell me. Okay, all of you tell me the whatever the answer. Okay, whatever, whether the saddle point is present or not, or whatever the minimax value or maximum value. Okay, first of all you have to give answer of uh, maximum value. Okay, so those who have completed the example. Okay, so please paste your answer in message box. Okay, so first of all write down this example. Okay, b1 b2 a1 a2 a3, 3 -2 -2 -3 -4 -5. Okay, after that example you have to find out the minimax and maximum value. Okay, and according to that we can get answer of saddle point is present or not. Okay, value of game also. Okay, so I will check, or I will check, take attendance also in between. Okay, so try to solve this example and message in message box. Okay, have you finished the example, sorry, statement? Okay, so I will share, uh, I will stop the sharing. Okay, and try to solve this example. Okay, 3 2 -2 -3 -4 -5. Okay, so very good. Answers are coming over here. Okay, I will check answers. एवढं लवकर कसं जॉईन होता रे तुम्ही? वेट, I will check messages. Okay, only one student is given value of game. Okay, what we will check. Okay, whether the value of game is 2. Okay, value of game is 2 directly is nothing but the saddle point is present. Okay, this is the knowledge. Okay, so try to solve this example. Okay, I will show again that example. Okay, only I think 15 minutes are remaining. Okay, so try to solve this example. Okay, or you can take this example for the homework. uh, Tomorrow we will take a directly second type of example. Okay, so take this example and try to solve. Okay, I will take attendance. What is the procedure? I will give procedure again. First of all, find out the row minimum value and column maximum value, and again find out the maximum value in and the minimax value. Okay, whether the whenever the maximum value is equal to minimax value, that is the value of game. Okay, and that is also known as a saddle point. Okay, or common point. Saddle point is also known as common point. Okay, so hope you have written or solved this example. Okay, I will take attendance. Huh? Okay, very good. Huh? Three answers are came here. Very good. Sachin Pandit, Ram, and Pawan. Okay, they have given answer. Okay, so this is a very good thing. Huh? Because I am very new for you also. Okay, so we will discuss a lot. Okay. Okay, only one type of example is remaining and one another. Okay, this is very small chapter, huh? But the weightage of this chapter is very good as compared to other chapters. Okay, because this chapter is important for GATE examination. ओके, गेटसाठी महत्वाचं आहे बघा हे चॅप्टर भरपूर. ओके, डायरेक्टली गेटमध्ये काय विचारतात बघा, एक्झाम्पलमध्ये सॅडल पॉईंट, व्हॉट इज अ सॅडल पॉईंट, व्हॉट इज अ मिनिमॅक्स व्हॅल्यू, मॅक्सिमम व्हॅल्यू. ओके, दिस विल यू आस्क फॉर एक्झाम्पल. ओके, ह्याच्यापेक्षा वेगळा क्वेश्चन गेटमध्ये नसणार आहे. ओके, सो बी प्रिपेअर फॉर दिस टाईप ऑफ एक्झाम्पल. ओके, हां हां, पेस्ट युअर मॅच रोल नंबर्स. ओके, all of you paste your roll numbers. Okay, from here after. Those who have given message before announcing. Okay, I will not take that as an attendance. Okay, huh. Okay, okay. So we will take a example. Okay, we can solve that example. Okay, huh. So this is a example. Okay, so what is the first step? Find out the row minimum value. Okay, so I will take a directly answer. I will show directly answer. ओके, आता ह्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला नोट्समध्ये लिहिलेलं कसं ओळखते का बघा. हां, सो वी विल टेक व्हॉट इज अ रो मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू. ओके, व्हॉट इज अ मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू इन फर्स्ट रो? 2. ओके, 2. व्हॉट इज मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू इन सेकंड रो? हां, -2 इज मिनिमम और -3 इज मिनिमम. ओके, दिस इज व्हेरी जनरल क्वेश्चन. हा, -2 इज मिनिमम और -3 इज मिनिमम. बघा आता ह्याच्यासाठी मराठी शाळेत जावं लागेल आपल्याला, बरोबर का? हां ठीक आहे, बघा आता ह्यातली मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू कुठली? -2 is minimum or -3 is minimum. ओके, -2 is minimum. आता ते कसं आलं ते तुम्ही बघा. मग हे आता मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू कुठली हे शोधण्यासारखं आपण इंजिनिअरिंगला आलेलो आहे, आणि झालं इंजिनिअरिंग आपलं माझ्यामध्ये अजून थोड्या दिवसात होते, 4-5 महिन्यात. त्यामुळे वी विल नॉट टेक मोर टाइम फॉर दिट. ओके, -2 मिनिमम का -3 मिनिमम? हा ओके, लेट इट बी. सो ट्राय टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लेम. -4 -5. I think mistake is also there. Okay, so we will solve this example. हां, झाले लेफ्ट. काय आता कोणाला शिकवायचं लेफ्ट झाल्या. हां, ओके. लेफ्ट झाले भरपूर. only few students are remaining. Okay, so I will take attendance. Okay, those who have given the attendance, they can left. Okay, so we will solve next type of problem in second lecture. Okay, last problem take a for the assignment or homework. Okay, so I will stop the recording first of all.